that on that beat. Nope.
Hollywood go. Go. Hollywood go. Go. Hey Hollywood go. Go. You wanna know just where I'm at? Well, let me tell you about it. I put my city on the map, but let me tell you about it. They try to say I can't come back, hey, let me tell you about it. Man, fuck them niggas, I come back, hey, let me tell you about it. I wanna tell you about it. Heads up, everybody run. Cole outside and he say he got a gun. Niggas like, man, that's what everybody said. Go and pop the trunk and now everybody dead. Everybody scared of the nigga, aware that the nigga is better. All my bitches is pick of the litter, never bitter. Niggas is fake the anime. Me, I never hate the cake like anime.
To the window, to the wall. My nigga ride when I call. Got bitches all in my mind. Fuck nigga blocking my shine. I know the reason you feel no way. I know just who you want be. So every day I think the man upstairs, that ain't you, you ain't me. Get off my dick.
But every nigga in the club singing the song, yeah. Got all the bitches in the club singing the song, yeah. And all the mama let the kids sing the song, yeah. The baby mamas and the mistresses, the song, yeah. Song, yeah. Song, yeah. Song, yeah. Jamaica. This shit is retarded. Goddamn. Why every rich black nigga gotta be famous? Why every broke black nigga gotta be brainless? That's a stereotype. Driven by some people up in aerial heights, here's a scenario. Young cold pockets is fat like Lil Terrio. Dreamville, give us a year, we'll be on every show. Yeah, fuck nigga, I'm very sure. Ho?